Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and today we'll be taking a look at this 2018 Toyota RAV4 SE. So here we have a 4-door, 5-passenger, all-wheel drive SUV in a classic black color. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 18-inch alloy wheels. Now, some of your features include your rear vision camera. That's going to make it easier for you to back out of those tight parking spots, or even just out of your own driveway in your own neighborhood. You also have your forward collision mitigation, and you have your rear cross traffic alert. But there's a ton of stuff happening on the inside, so why don't we hop on in and take a look. Helping you into your RAV4 is this handy dandy Toyota Smart Key. On your fob, you have your lock, your unlock, your power lift gate, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front door, and pushing it twice will unlock all 4. And you can see there that you do have your side view mirror signal indicators. That's going to be really great for heavy traffic or if you're traveling on the highway. And then here is your side blind zone alert. That's another really great safety feature for you to have. I am just going to lock this back up here because it's a Toyota Smart Key. We won't be needing that. You can keep it in your pocket or in your bag because I'm just going to place my hand on the handle here, and I'm not sure if you heard that beep, but you can hear it open up automatically for me. So once again, you don't have to be fumbling with your keys. Lots of space to get in and out. You do have some storage here on the driver's side door along with a cup holder. You have your power windows and your locks, and your power mirrors are situated just to the left of your steering wheel here, along with your interior lighting and your lane departure alert, your heated steering wheel, which is great for those winter months. Then you have your differential lock and your power lift gate. Moving a little bit further in, you do have your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle really nice and clean. And then you have your power adjustable driver's seat here. So that's going to be really great. You have lots of different options to get yourself nice and comfortable. And it won't be hard in this beautiful Softex interior. And you can see this red stitching all throughout the interior as well. Some nice detail there for you. You do have your power tilt and slide sunroof. Again, really great for those summer months. You can let the sun shine in on those. Take a look at some more technology features here. Again, it's a push start because you don't need to fumble around with those keys. Really nice display, easy on the eyes. And then moving a little bit back, you have again that heated steering wheel, leather wrapped, nice and luxurious. You have all of the mounted controls that you're going to want. You have your volume control with your music selection buttons there. Your hands-free calling, your voice command, and your mode changer. And then on the right-hand side here, this is going to be for your central information display. This is going to give you all of your settings for your safety features. You also have your cruise control there. You can see what you're listening to for music. You have your navigation, and then all of the information such as your fuel economy, your eco indicator. You can set a time until rest, so that means that it'll go off. It'll give you a little alarm when it's time to take a break on those long road trips. Right here is your dynamic radar cruise control. That's going to allow you to set the distance that you would like to maintain to the vehicle ahead of you when you're in cruise control. Cruise control is just right there. And then taking a look at the audio now, we have everything that you're going to want in terms of music. You have your AM, FM radio, you have your Sirius XM, you do have your Bluetooth audio as well, which gives you your hands-free calling as well with that Bluetooth. And then you have your USB and your audio input in case there's some other devices that you would like to listen to. Within your applications, you have your navigation. Again, really easy to use, very user-friendly. We can show you how to use that when you come in for a test drive. You can plug in that home address and see just how easy it is. So you do have your dual zone climate control just down here, along with your air conditioning again for those summer months. And then for your winter months, just below that, you have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger. You also have your 2 different driving modes. You have your your windshield wiper defrost. Tripped over my words there for a moment. And then you have your audio input and your USB just there. And then you have your 12-volt DC plug-in should there be other devices that you would like to charge as well. Moving a little bit further back from there, you do have your sport mode. Again, really fun to drive that way. You have a couple of cup holders here. And then right here is your center console. You do have lots of storage in there. You have a double decker, so you can fit some smaller items and at the top, some larger items at the bottom. And then right in here is your nice big glove compartment. You do have all of the manuals that you're going to need, along with your checklists that you're going to go through upon your delivery of your new vehicle. And so lots of really great stuff happening in the front of your RAV4. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Taking a look at the back of your RAV now, lots going on back here as well. You do have your rear windshield wiper for that unpredictable Alberta weather. You also have your rear window defrost. And I had mentioned that we do have a power lift gate here on the fob, so we're just going to open this up and we will take a look at the cargo space. Now, another thing that we really love about the RAV is the amount of cargo space on here. You also have this great accessory. You do have your cargo cover, and that tucks nicely away underneath, and I'll show you that in just a moment. Right under here is your spare tire with all of the tools and jacks that you're going to need. You know, gosh forbid anything happened to you while you're on the road, but if it does, you do have that spare tire to get you back to safety. So a nice amount of cargo space, and I'm just gonna remove that cargo cover and set the seats down so you can see just how much space there is. So there's the first seat down, and as you can see, another convenient feature is that 60-40 split rear bench seat. So you can fit something a little bit longer and still have two people riding in the back comfortably. And there's that second seat down. So again, tons and tons of space. And as I had mentioned before, we do have a little hiding spot for your cargo cover here. So it tucks underneath just nice like that. You can carry it along with you. You don't have to store it in your garage or in your apartment or in your home or anything like that. So it's a really nice feature to have, especially for those big shopping trips. You do have a button here that powers your power lift gate, or you can use your fob, and we'll give you a nice view of the back of your RAV. Giving you a final look then of the 2018 Toyota RAV4 all-wheel drive SUV. You do have some tint on those back windows, giving your passengers just a bit of privacy. And there's a lot going on that I didn't get a chance to go through on this brief walk around. So come on in, take it for a test drive, ask all of the questions. We're here to help. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thanks again for watching. And until we see you, drive safe.